I bought a house. I bought a house.
Yes.
And that's on
And that's on
Paris.
Pearl.
And that's on Paris.
New place. Who's this? Gallery apartment.
Till I can bring you to the moon. You'll come to watch me dancing just for you. 깊은 바다 속에서 널 데리러 왔어. 어째 너는 잊어버려 우린 함께한 네 모습이 보여 Well everything 보여 Would you like to swim in the sky 우리 멀리 떠나자 Cause baby 너 여기 밖은 좋아 Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere. You are, you are, that's right. Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere. You are, you are, that's right.
Say hey, welcome to my Penny's channel. Hey guys, ayikho into expensive engiyithengile. This I bought yini ngoda le a curtain, and then this is lace. I got it for like 120, and those curtains I got them for 100 rands. So I want to put the thing on. I also got this. You know, I'm taking the wrong ones. Yeah. Oh yeah, I got these ones. I think this is on Gain and up here. Nah. Yeah. So I got this as well and this. So I'll be putting these things on, and yeah, let me see how it works out. I'm in my apartment. Yeah, the excitement is very, very low. Let me take off my glasses. I think I'm reflecting something. Phew, the excitement is so small. Mainly because I'm just so tired. I just went to run a lot of errands. And I'm super tired.
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space, just think about it,
Got this at Nearby Pep for 20 inches. We're not buying something anything fancy, you know. We're trying to save money. We'll buy a lot of things when we have money to buy things right now. let's work with what we have. My sister I can't even put this thing on. I can, but I haven't put on a ketting in a long time. So let me do it. I do reachable. The curtain is so small. Let me find a place where I'm gonna show you guys properly. I don't know if we can see from here. I have to get two because this one.
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it. Maybe separate is better. I will love you till forever.
I've got a microwave, guys. I've got a microwave. Do I remove these things when the microwave is still new? Let me just put it back. Ugh, I've got a fridge. Don't worry. Don't mind my clothes there at the bottom. Oh my goodness, I've got a fridge. Do I remove these things, guys? I think I do. Oh, so nice. So nice. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pindulum Kabela and I'm so excited to be back with another video. I know guys, it's been a while. I'm trying to get a proper lighting, but it's been a while. So I wasn't planning to vlog actually. I wasn't planning to vlog because I still have a lot of content on my phone that I haven't gotten a chance. Guys, how cute are my nails? How cute are my nails? I wasn't planning to vlog, as I was saying, but I'm here requesting a ride to go buy a TV. Actually, I almost said run errands, but yeah, it's January and we're broke, and it's my birthday month and we're broke, so I had saved up for a TV, so I'm going to get a TV. And last month I bought a TV stand, so when I come back I wanna do some assembling as well and other things. So yeah, let's go. I wasn't planning to vlog, guys, just know that I wasn't planning. It's just that I'm realizing that now, let me just vlog, because I just requested an Uber and the Uber is taking so long, so I'm like, what can I do in the meantime? Let's start a vlog. Yeah, that's true. I almost said I'm kidding, but yeah, that's true. So yeah, guys, I just realized as well that we haven't done a sit down, so I'm planning to do a sit down and just reflect on the year 2023. I don't know if I'm gonna post this vlog first or the sit down, but whichever comes first, it comes first. Yeah, let's start the day. And then I still owe you my apartment tour. It's coming. It's coming. I feel it. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. But yeah, we'll get it right. So yeah, guys, let me go do the errands. Oh, my name change your name, really, guys. Sure. But yeah, let's go. I love you. Love you. Love you. Love you. Let's go. Let's get on the road. Let me check my Uber if it's here, and then we go.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my brain make out, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do. Supposed to do. Brain makeup. I know what I'm supposed to do. You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my brain make out,
I'm waiting for my Uber to arrive, and it's so far, and I left the shop very, very early. I got it!
be a star tonight. You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high, keeps me high.
Yeah, there's progress, guys. There's progress. There's progress. Let's wait. Let's wait and see.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high, keeps me high.